At Smith Metal Products, we help our customers solve problems. We help them save money on their part pricing and their tooling pricing through design for manufacturability.
I really like being a part of an employee-owned company because we're all working together. We're all one team here at Smith Metal Products. We're trying to do the best we can for our customers because when they're successful, we're successful.
I like working for an employee-owned company because everyone puts 100% into the job.
All of our employees have an ownership stake in the business. Because of that, they feel like they contribute to their own success. You really begin to see that ownership mentality really builds a foundation of success.
So we ensure that we're providing high quality products by collaborating with the customer from the beginning of the project all the way through the final development of that product.
Customers want to work with Smith Metals because of our engineering department is so dedicated at problem solving, and they'll involve the entire plant in the problem solving.
Potential customers should choose Smith Metal Products because we really care about the products going out the door. We want our customers to be successful, and because we're all owners of the company, we all have a vested interest in making parts the best we can.
When I started here, we had 2 molding machines, and now we have 15. And so that just shows every year that we invest in our company. I think our oldest molding machine is only 7 years old.
Smith Metal Products helps our customers with 3D printing capabilities to fine-tune their designs before releasing the tooling.
Metal injection molding is a good manufacturing choice for parts that are small and complex. It especially makes sense if you're using expensive metals like titanium because you're not just cutting away a bunch of expensive, unneeded material.
When you compare us against other metal forming technologies like CNC machining or investment casting, MIM is generally a cost savings opportunity because we build a mold and we'll inject our material into that mold, and so we can do hundreds and thousands of parts per hour.
Smith Metal Products is different than other metal injection molding companies because we really want to be a part of the process early on. We like to talk to our potential customers and make sure that we're giving them the best solutions that we can.
Quality is an expectation that our customers have that the parts that they order are what they receive. The parts are the right size, there's a tolerance, they have the right shape, it's what they expect.
By manufacturing products in the United States, you can save money on tariffs, delays for shipping, delays from customs, communication issues. Our customers clearly communicate what they're looking for with us. We understand and we make sure they get what they need.
We're going to take care of you as though you're part of our family.